This is the project, the punch needle embroidery. This took a long time to make. A very long time to make. Anyways, this character's name is Kirby. He's a pink guy.
Do you like it?
Yeah. Yes.
Is it hard?
Obviously.
Who chose that?
Obviously.
Who chose that design?
I did.
Who's that?
It's Kirby, the pink guy that some of us know and love. From the 1992 game Kirby's Dreamland. It became the one that most of us have grown up with, aside from Mario and Sonic.
Do you still want to do
It's Kirby.
different design?
Not much anymore. Punch needle embroidery was obviously inserting the thread, as it requires multiple steps, all of which I'm not really good at.
So,
Do I recommend this do I want to do this activity again? Not really. But do I recommend it to my fellow homeschool viewers? I obviously do.
which part do you like? Which part of the activity?
Punching the needle. Obviously that.
Oh, does it feel?
It's worth it.
Hmm?
It's
So what do you need to finish that activity?
Well, patience and agility.
It?
Yes, I like it.
I like it too.
Jokes aside, this activity is very hard. So I hope you like it. The eyes, though.
It is a dinosaur. I don't know what this thing is, but this is a shooting star. Is it the asteroid that's gonna fall? That fell.
What do you call that activity?
It's called the punch embroidery. This is my home economics project.
No.
Here it is. You may ask, this is adorable. I use cross stitching for these parts. This part is.
What are the materials that you use?
I've used a punch needle, yarn, a needle thing that's used and there's also this needle, red needle or any other type that you use for smaller parts like these and this. I say my favorite part was finishing the blue and the green, not to mention the bit of this.
What was your least favorite?
The eyes.
So what did you learn?
I've learned how to use the
The needle punch.
the needle punch line. The punch needle.
The punch needle.
Yeah, here it is.
So, because it's your first time.
It's my first
to
time.
do that.
It looks a bit. Do
Do you still want to try it?
I think so.
You want to make a different design?
Yeah.
A bigger
I don't
one?
know if you have to cut the. You can place these in frames because this thing is like it's a ring. This is what you normally use for the embroidery one. You can remove, like I said before, you can change it. You can add different designs and here it is. That's stuff. There are a few mistakes here, but it's okay. It's the first time. It's the first time, and not gonna be the last. I'll try to keep on practicing here.
It's epic!
Did you enjoy doing that?
It's very fun. That's
So, what?
BTW, when you guys start using these parts, the bigger parts, it's hard to stop.
I just love doing it.
Here's my design. And here's my design from the back.
So it was your first time. Oh,
Yes.
what can you say about it?
This is my first time. I kinda like it, although I did make a little mistake, a few mistakes. It's okay though, I'm just beginning.
Yeah. It's your first time to make...
And this is my performance task in my home economics and arts. Because here I learned how to stitch. Alright.
What did you learn from that activity?
Patience.
You have to
You
be
have to
what?
phone
Patient.
more.
You have to be
Be
patient.
Follow the
You have more.
the pattern.
Well, sometimes
Pattern.
Are you challenging me, Dave, Neil?
no.
How to punch needle.
Yeah.
So that time you have the phone.
So here's a comparison of her.
You intended? Was that intended, Mom?
Ano ka? Maganda kaya.